Okay, the next part of the introduction that we're going to be studying is called the issue. So you also then want to put in your introduction, you want to introduce the issue. Briefly explain the issue and any controversy surrounding the argument. You want to give background information, but do not state your position on it yet. Here's an example. Much to the public's dismay, summer vacations are in jeopardy in some areas. In many school districts, administrators are pushing forward with a movement to extend the school year. So you can see that there's a little bit of controversy because it talks about the public's dismay and summer vacations being in jeopardy. So you want to be thinking about how you could explain the issue and maybe a controversy around the argument, but do not state your position on it yet. Then, after that, the third part of the introduction is where you state your claim. This is the thesis statement of your essay. It is a promise to the reader that the essay will address the argument and prove the claim. It may help to use one of the following key words to form the thesis: reasons, benefits, advantages, or disadvantages. Those are good words to include in your thesis statement or your claim. Here's an example. There are definite advantages associated with switching to a year-round schedule. So, the three parts, remember, are the lead, which is where you are hooking. That's the first part of the introduction. The second part is the issue, where you state the issue and maybe a controversy around the issue, but you don't actually state your thesis or your claim yet. And then, of course, the third part of your introduction is where you actually state your claim. You state what your thesis is and what you are going to try to prove in your argumentative essay. So, now you are going to work on filling out a worksheet that will help me know if you understand all of the parts of the introduction. You will be filling out this organizing the argument essay, writing the introductory paragraph. It is page 6 and it is in a PDF. So remember, you have a new way to open up PDFs in Notability. So make sure that you have watched all 3 of those videos to make sure that you know how to open it up in Notability.